Welcome to TrueFit Insights, your go-to channel for fitness tips, myth-busting, and expert advice. Today, we're diving into some of the most common fitness mistakes people make that could be sabotaging your progress. From bad form to overtraining and poor diet choices, we're going to cover the top mistakes and show you how to avoid them so you can reach your goals safely and efficiently. Mistake number 1 is improper form. This is hands down one of the most common issues that leads to injury and hinders progress. You might be lifting the right weight or doing the right exercise, but if your form is off, you're putting yourself at risk. Some examples include squatting with your knees caving in, deadlifting with a rounded back, or even letting your elbows flare out during push-ups. Correct form ensures you target the right muscles, improve efficiency, and prevent injuries. Mistake number 2, overtraining. While staying consistent is key to success, training too much without allowing your body time to rest can lead to burnout, fatigue, and even injuries. Your muscles need time to recover and grow. Remember, more isn't always better. Quality workouts combined with adequate recovery are essential for long-term progress. Make sure you're getting at least 1 to 2 rest days per week, and include active recovery like stretching or light cardio to boost recovery. Mistake number 3 is all about poor diet choices. You can't out-train a bad diet. Whether you're looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or improve endurance, the fuel you give your body matters. Eating too little can slow down your metabolism, while eating too much junk food can leave you feeling sluggish and affect your recovery. Focus on a balanced diet with plenty of lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Hydration is also key, so don't forget to drink enough water throughout the day. Mistake number 4 is skipping warm-ups and cool-downs. Many people jump straight into their workouts without warming up their muscles, increasing the risk of injury. Similarly, skipping cool-down stretches can lead to tightness and soreness. A proper warm-up prepares your body for the workout ahead by increasing blood flow and flexibility, while a cool-down helps to reduce lactic acid buildup and improve recovery. Both are essential steps for preventing injuries and improving performance. Finally, mistake number 5, not setting clear goals. A lot of people start their fitness journey without a clear plan, which can lead to frustration and lack of progress. Whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or increase endurance, setting specific, measurable, and realistic goals is crucial for staying on track. Track your workouts, celebrate your milestones, and adjust your routine as needed. Having a clear vision will keep you motivated and help you measure your progress over time. By avoiding these common fitness mistakes, you'll not only stay injury-free, but also maximize your progress and reach your goals faster. Remember, fitness is a journey, and it's all about working smarter, not harder. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest fitness insights here at TrueFit Insights. Stay fit and stay smart.